starting a business, before you sell your first product, you need to pick your legal skill.
Is it a solo mission, a team effort, or a corporate giant?
Today, we're breaking down the three main business structures.
First up, the sole proprietorship. This is the simplest form. You are the boss, the employee, the owner, all in one. Advantage, it's easy to set up and you keep 100% of the profits. The catch, unlimited liability. This means if the business owes money, your personal car or house could be accused. It's not a separate legal entity, it's just you.
But what if you don't want to do it alone? That's a partnership. Two or more people pooling resources and skills. Ownership is shared based on an agreement. Advantage, more capital and shared waste. Disadvantage, like a marriage, you're liable for your partner's mistakes.
Finally, the corporation. This is a legal person separate from its owners. Ownership is divided into shares of stock. The huge advantage, limited liability. If the corporation goes broke, shareholders only lose what they invested, not their personal asset. The downside, it's expensive to start, heavily regulated, and can face global taxation.
Choose Solpra for total control.